Hi, welcome to the class. Today topic is the cost of capital. My series on a business finance. This part of two second sessions in the series. So you believe first now she want to continue picking order the theory of I want to look out the finance from debt cost of capital. From the debt finance we can raise various forms of them, our various types of debts. We have bond loans, that we have a ventures notes, that we have the loan, there were have the zero discount bond, and then the deep discount bond. Now the difference between and the third Istanbul and least deep discount bond is that with the zero happens is that there is no interest that the bond holder receive during the life of a poor man upon the premium is paid or the body redeem as a premium. So what is that instance if we issues a server discount a bond? What it means is that the a body we are not going to pay the interest, rather on a redemptions who redeemed the ball. As the example a kavita we are assuming a 6 percentage loads, right, a love notes and irredeemable in 6 years, but it's a service transport. Now in 60 estimates notice had a met $1,000 in 6 years. I will be a redeeming would be the no, a Buddhist one, and $15, and that is the what 0 day sounds bond, right? So with it ain't gonna receiving any interest. Now in a deep discount bond is there you where you are going to be receiving some interest, but it's not their intents, their nominal payments receiving, it's going to be a lower than how much you should have a receive, and on a redemptions it will be a redeemed as a premium. But everybody comes looking at a long-term sources of financing. We are looking at our debt. We can go at the bank. We go to the pump, borrow money from the bank. Then the cost of debt is interest rate, which the bond words gave of the law, so that the debt become we can call KD. Issues that a loan notes as the longest going to be the a different thing. So, is the determinations of the cost of debt we need to ask ourselves, and questions one we need to ourselves whether our debt is a irredeemable or redeemer. A debt is a irredeemable or redeemer, because if the debt is redeemable, calculations of the cost of debt is going to be the different, and then the debt is also will be a given more calculations of the cost debt. It is also different how do we go about the interrelationship. So then if so debt is irredeemable, then our cost representedly by the symbol of KD is going to be the I over people. Now I wanted to stay with me a calm at take further reflections. We need to see. So KD will be a go to Yoma. People now there's a Kiki, sorry, a KD without a tax, okay, without a stars. So the KD is the first object. The idea is the interest on nominal value of the bond. Please note that the nominal value of a bond is a forest $100 or a $10. References what are the examiner tells you or the knocks of the nominal value of a bond is always entered. What is that? A regular payment or intervals. It means the mean when you are completing a KD, the interest you are bring here will be the interest rates are dividended, multiplying a pay of odds, and that the nominal value which is worth 100. I am going to show on an example of you right now. So this KD is now we test about the truth of the matter is that the tax deductible. So always we have to calculate lead after tax. So if we incorporate tax into this formula, then can be we go I go to over people 1 minus t, okay, 1 minus t, okay, is so interest of people is the market of the value of the bond is debt. Okay. So people is the market value of the debt. So we break interest dividend by a market value of the bond. Now remember that will be the segment of, because our answer has to be expressed in the percentages to the tens of hundred. So this is how we calculated the KD forwards, and in redeemable this, and here we adopted. So within the defect irredeemable, then we calculate KD using this formula. That is using a formula depending on what there is then in the questions or not. There is the taxi questions. We have to come in the PD after the times of. Remember the formula is also time centric. I just told you that the formula has a represented percentage for the answers presented in the percentage. So let me put in this scenario up. Let's see how we can go about it. So let's pay back PLC or PET PLC hands. Let's say issued PLC issued a 6 percentage the beta notes, 6 percentage irredeemable event childhood absolute value are dimensions of footage as $103.5 in tax rate is 25 percentage, and calculates KD without tax. I am KD with tax. So this is the scenario, and the examiner is asking to us to calculate the KD with facts and then without first week. I deal without as I we set PD equals I over people and 7 percentage. Now remember what I told you, and I told you the interest is always heaven or aluminum. So when you take a 6 percentage times a beginning penguin give us a $6. So our answer will be a $6 dividend by the piece of the market value of the bond, which is one of the $3 one $3.5 times 100 percentage. So let us go check out our cuts, and you are here. So 6 percentage over the work 3 words 103.5 times for it, and it's that 5.8 percentage, 5.8 percentage, right? So that is how we calculate the KG without us. What about it deal with the tax courier attached to what we do in a simple scenario? We just going to bring our interest rate 6 next values, the one further by 1, a battery is 25 percentage. Then we punch it out already, get your answers. So that is going to be 6 over 103.5. So thank you.